Module, I am going to demonstrate to you the construction of ellipse. But before that, let us appreciate the curves in nature. See the beauty of the tendrils. See the beauty of the spirals of the sunflower and this cactus. Now here you got beauty of lotus flower, another spirals in this particular flower. The mango is showing beautiful colors, mouth-watering. Now here you got a swan flower imitating the neck of swan. Now even tamarind tree, which puts mouth-watering, is showing beautiful curves. Another set of curves in nature. The animals are not far behind the vegetation. See the beautiful fish, the neck of the swan, the seashell, the eyes and lips of a beauty. And you have got non-living things like, you have got a full rainbow in the Niagara Falls, the rainbow over here, the smoke trail, the feather of the peacock, and the moon showing different phases during eclipse. So here you have been given focus F, directrix and eccentricity as 0.65. I have taken y-axis as the directrix, focus is lying on x-axis, and therefore if I drop a perpendicular form, see the definition of ellipse is locus of a point such that distance from focus F of that directrix divided by distance from the directrix is equal to eccentricity. So if I take any point here, this distance is going to be less than this by factor of E. Okay. Now first thing we do is we drop a perpendicular from here to the directrix. It is already there as x-axis, so we don't have to do any other construction. Now first point, this is the axis. Now first point V, or the vertex of ellipse, which is lying beyond this focus, can be easily located as FV divided by EV. So you will see that this distance divided by OV is going to be equal to E. Now to locate the other points, draw series of parallel lines to the directrix at certain distance. Now these lines are drawn from V towards F, that is to the right of V. So let us draw some lines. The distance is to be adjusted so that you get the smooth curve. Now next is we have to have from focus, each of these lines will be cut by taking the appropriate distance, that is distance from directrix multiplied by eccentricity. So first point I have located here, it is, you see this DF, okay, divided by OF is going to be equal to E. Then similarly on the other side we locate the point. Then on the second line we locate the point, and all other points are located. And next step is going to be connect all these points by a smooth curve. So you got a smooth curve here, smooth curve there. So you got a beautiful ellipse. So it's very, very simple that you start with this V point, then this series of lines are drawn, then depending on this distance you multiply it by E, take that in the compass and cut a curve here, locate this point. Similarly locate the point here also. Next line same thing is done. So like that if you continue, you will see that slowly this point keeps on dropping down and finally it goes and touches the x-axis because your E is less than 1. I hope you like this tutorial of ellipse. You may either draw it on computer screen or on paper. This is in the syllabus of engineering drawing of degree college, diploma, or even ITI and technical schools. I have interesting applets on YouTube for you or on my blog spot. I have looked at all these and I thank you all. I acknowledge GeoGebra team for wonderful tool for the geometrical construction. I am also going to present some tutorials on GeoGebra. I thank for nice pictures of curves which I took from net. I thank all friends who helped me to do the videos. Your suggestions are welcome on vasantbarve@gmail.com. I'll be glad to send the applets to you also.